Hey guys, so today I installed this Clopay garage door that you get at Lowe's and Home Depot. This is a extension spring setup. If you're wondering why they are pretty rusted, because the homeowner left them outside for a period of time. So I installed this door today. The back hangs are installed like that, and the safety cables are through the springs. I installed a lock that's right here, so you can lock it from the outside. It's a key system. It came with other locks, but I could not use it for this door. So just pull it this way. Garage door is perfectly balanced. Weather seal for the outside of the door. Let's close it. It's on a little shed. You just turn and lift. Sometimes it likes to get jammed up because if you pick up on one side, it likes to shift back and forth no matter where I have the rollers at. So that's why I hate extension springs. But yeah, everything's installed correctly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and thank you for watching.